What's up, Joy fam? So really quick before the video starts, I'm reminding everyone my iPhone XS giveaway is still continuing. Guys, if you have not subscribed yet to enter to win this iPhone XS for free, do so now, because I'm going to be giving it away in a live stream that's completely random, and the only way to know when it'll be happening is if you turn on those bell notifications and subscribe down below. Don't forget, I'm giving hints down in my social media below, so go follow the social media if you want even a better chance at winning. If you guys are watching this in the month of December, the giveaway is happening very soon, so please be alert. If you guys aren't watching this in December, then don't worry, I will be having more giveaways in the future. I will never stop doing iPhone giveaways as long as you guys keep subscribing. So please subscribe down below, turn on those bell notifications to get notified, and I'll see you guys in the video. What is going on, Joy fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your Joy Boy back at it again. Guys, we are at a Keymaster, and check this out. There's an iPhone XR. That is insane. I haven't seen one of those yet in my area. So this is the first one that's popped up. I'm gonna try to win it today. I've got a handful of quarters. I've been waiting for this machine to be due. I haven't played it before or won from it yet, but I've got a lot of money, so we're gonna try. Let's insert, let's see. Can we win it if we get it dead on? Come on, baby. iPhone XR, it looks so cool and dark. I want it now. Oh, come on. Oh my gosh, it's a hair off. Guys, just a centimeter away. I need an iPhone XR. Sorry. All right, right here. Is it due? Oh, okay, that time I felt it deviate for sure. Man, I don't know. That's tough. All right, guys. About $20 later, we're still here playing this machine away. I noticed it's unsticking from the phone. But what's funny about Keymaster is, unless you win, the door doesn't open. So even if it were to fall right now, it would just go to the owner, and that's why you never want to shake a Keymaster or anything. But we're gonna see if we can win fair and square here. Oh, right there. Oh my god, that was, did you see how close that was? Oh my god, guys, I can't tell if it's rigged or not. Let's keep going here. Man, I want this iPhone XR so bad. I love the dark color. It feels like it's evil for some reason. Go right there. Oh my gosh. See, it deviated on me again. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's completely random. I don't know, guys. All right. We're trying this again. Come on, iPhone XR, please be due. Daddy needs you due. Right. Oh my god. Dang. That sucks. Alright. Guys, we've gone down. We don't have many quarters left. I'm gonna have to get change after this if we don't win. So we're gonna put in another $1. Oh, stop the quarter. It's all good. Let's try this again. Just gotta get it just right. It fits in there. A lot of people think it doesn't even fit, but it does. Oh, right. Man, nope. Another deviation. On our last $1. I'm gonna have to get some change after this. Find an ATM and pull out some cash or something. Because I am broke as a joke, and I still need an iPhone XR. Just come on, baby. Let's get it right there. Oh my god, look how close that was. That's insane, guys. I'm gonna get more cash. It's gotta be random. It's really weird, but I think it's random. I'm gonna get more cash, see if I can win that iPhone XR. I'll be right back. All right, we are back with more quarters. We are not giving up on this iPhone XR. I know somewhere deep inside my heart, I will use this key to unlock one of the most valuable things to me. The iPhone XR. Come on, baby. Ah, please. Alright, let's try this again.
Sometimes I really hate Keymaster when it's just not due. But we're gonna try to change that. No way, no. Oh my gosh! Do you see how close that is? Like, can the camera see how close that is? That's literally centimeters, not even centimeters. What's millimeters? What's even smaller? I don't know. It's really small amount, guys. You kind of gotta be here, I guess, to know for yourself. But man, it's close. All right, here we go. Oh, and it deviated again. What the heck? Oh, there's another quarter. Another dollar. Man, this is tough. Let's see. Come on, baby. Got this. I got this. Here we go. Oh my gosh. What the heck, dude? Alright, here we go. iPhone XR, brand new. Not even what, 4 months old yet? 3 months old? We got this. I got this. Stop it right there. Oh, no way, come on. Yes, oh my god. No way. No way did we just win the iPhone XR. No way, yes. Oh my god. No way. Guys, check this out. Oh my god, that looks so nice.